Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to move and hide your apps on your LG TV. So you can see all these different apps. We can just hold down on it, and then we can move it around just like that. So, and then if we go up to the top, there's a little eye thing. So let's see, let's go to the LG radio. I might not use this. So I should be able to just select it and go to the eye. And this can hide it, or you can delete it from there. So you can decide which one you want. So I don't think I'll use the radio option. I'll just go to like Spotify or something like that. But you can do this for any of these apps. If you don't have the option to delete it, just hide it. And then you won't see it on your TV anymore, and there'll be less apps. For example, this camera app, unless you got a camera plugged in, you're not going to need this showing up at all. So you can just hide it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.